The Razer Mini 1200TVL FPV camera features an impressive 1/3 inch CMOS sensor that delivers high-resolution imaging for crystal-clear video output. With its wide dynamic range and low noise capabilities, this camera excels in various lighting conditions, offering clear visibility whether it is a sunny day or a dark night. The ability to switch between PAL and NTSC formats and support for different aspect ratios makes this camera highly versatile and user-friendly. Its compact design, with dimensions of 22mm by 22mm, allows it to fit perfectly in most FPV drone frames, making it an ideal choice for racing drones. The camera's ultra-lightweight design, weighing only 12 grams, ensures minimal impact on drone performance, allowing for agile and responsive flying. Included accessories such as the OSD board and various cables enhance its functionality and ease of installation, providing a comprehensive package for FPV enthusiasts.